Welcome to Princess Jen channel. Please comment, like, subscribe. Hey YouTube, today I'm going to show you this corn flour, organic corn flour. I'm going to make some dumplings with it. So I am going to use this corn flour along with normal all-purpose flour. Okay, this is all-purpose flour with corn flour. As you could see here, I'm gonna measure it and show you how I make the dumplings. This is my first time ever making this, but I always love to put cornmeal in my dumplings. So now that I have the corn flour, I'm just going to replace it with the cornmeal, and that should be okay. So let's see how it comes out. So first I'm going to add 1 cup of corn flour. That's 1 cup. Let's add 1 cup of regular all-purpose flour. One cup of all-purpose flour. So here we have some salted water. I add half a teaspoon of salt to this water, and I'm going to use it to make the dumpling. First, I don't like to knead flour with my hand when I start, so I'm just going to use this spoon. Little more. Okay, now I'm going to use my hand to knead it. So I'm not making too much dumplings, just a little. If you want more, you could actually put how many cups of each. I put 1 and 1. It's not 2 to 1, it's 1 and 1. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of corn flour. This is it here. The corn flour made it yellow. That's it. I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of all-purpose flour here so it don't stick to my plate. Spread it well. And let's make some dumplings, guys. You can make round dumplings, long dumplings, flat dumplings, kind of circular ones, right? Whatever size you want. So these are the dumplings here. I could turn this one into a round one if I want. And I'll show you how I make it circular. Just by using my hand. That's it. I could use this one again to turn it that way. That's it. I'm going to put it to the pot. Now I have a pot of boiling water. I'm just going to add them to it. Here I am with the pot of boiling water. I'm just going to add the dumplings. So let's just add some salt, a little dash of salt, because I already had salt in there, and a little bit of oil, cooking oil, see? So I'm gonna cover it up and let it cook. These are my dumplings. So I'll be back in 20 minutes. The 20 minutes is up and I'm here to see what the dumplings look like. As you could see, I did not cover the lid all the way. I left a little opening here because if not it would bubble over and mess up my stove. So I just kind of have it open slightly. So let's uncover the pot. These are the dumplings. Now let's see if they're cooked. Yes, they're cooked. These are my corn flour dumplings. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get rid of the water. I'm going to get the water out from the dumplings. And the dumplings are ready to serve. Dumplings, corn flour dumplings. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Corn flour dumplings, organic corn flour. Here I added the dumplings to this fish broth. You can also add dumplings to your soups like chicken soup, beef soup, bull food soup, whatever soup, even vegetable soup.